Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most detailed reviews of the most stunning machines on the road. Today, we're diving deep into a beast of luxury and power, the 2025 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a five-star hotel on wheels, built to dominate highways while pampering you like royalty. At first glance, the W1100 commands attention with its bold and imposing front profile. The iconic Kenworth grille is larger than ever, outlined with chrome accents that shimmer in the sunlight. Aerodynamic upgrades and sculpted side panels reduce drag, making this powerhouse surprisingly efficient for its size. You can immediately tell this vehicle isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about doing it in style and presence. Under the hood, the 2025 W1100 is powered by a turbocharged Packer MX-13 engine, delivering over 510 horsepower and unmatched torque. Whether you're climbing mountain passes or cruising the interstate, this engine delivers a smooth and quiet ride, even while towing additional cargo or a vehicle. It's paired with an advanced 12-speed automated transmission, giving drivers effortless control and optimal fuel efficiency. Now, let's step inside. And this is where things get really impressive. The interior of the W1100 redefines motorhome luxury. The cabin features handcrafted leather seating, real wood accents, and ambient LED lighting throughout. The living space includes a full-sized sofa, a high-end entertainment system with a 75-inch retractable smart TV, and surround sound that makes movie nights unforgettable. The kitchen is fully equipped with a convection oven, induction cooktop, residential-sized fridge, and a deep farmhouse sink. Quartz countertops and overhead. Storage add a residential touch you won't expect in a motorhome. Moving to the rear, the master bedroom is designed for true relaxation. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, personal climate control, and blackout shades ensure restful sleep no matter where you're parked. There's also a walk-in closet and a dedicated washer-dryer combo tucked away neatly. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full shower with rainfall head, a porcelain toilet, and luxury fittings that you'd expect in a high-end hotel suite. Everything is designed with comfort and space in mind, from the soft close cabinetry to the heated tile flooring. Tech-wise, the W1100 is fully loaded. It comes with smart home integration, allowing you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment with your voice or mobile app. The digital cockpit displays navigation, engine diagnostics, and 360-degree camera views. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making long drives safer and less stressful. Whether you're a full-time traveler or a weekend adventurer, the 2025 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome brings unmatched comfort, rugged durability, and cutting-edge innovation to your journey. So if you're looking for the ultimate road companion that blends luxury with legendary performance, the W1100 deserves a spot at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth reviews of the world's most iconic vehicles. See you in the next ride!